Good morning to all. Any doubt in last class? No doubt, okay? Okay, now we are going to discuss about mutual induction. Okay, listen. Okay, listen. What is mean by first you must know about, already you have discussed about the self-induction, remember? Yeah. Take a test book, first volume book, page number 225 and 226. 225 and 226. Come on. See about important lines and formulas. Then only you can understand about mutual induction very easily. Okay. Come on. Take few minutes. Quick. See all the formulas and important lines. See quick. Okay. Close the books. Now, listen here. Mutual induction. Already you have discussed about self-induction, like self-cooking. But here, mutual means in Tamil, parimar, exchanging between two things. Different எடுத்துறீங்க ரெண்டு பேர் பரிமாறி சாப்பிட்டு இங்க இருக்குது அங்க இருக்குது இங்க ரைட்டா like this interchanging, transferring from one place to another place. It is called a mutual induction. Okay, mutual induction means here when electric current passing through one coil changes with respect to time and EMF is induced another coil or neighboring coil. That's all. This phenomenon is known as mutual induction. This EMF, that is called a mutually induced EMF. Okay, listen here. Here let us consider two coils placed very close to each other. Okay, this is primary coil or coil 1 or one coil. Okay, this is coil 2 or neighboring coil or secondary coil. Okay, this also. Okay, N1 means here number of turns in the primary coil or coil 1. N2 is the number of turns in the coil 2 or secondary coil or neighboring coil. Okay, okay. Then consider here first current flowing through the first coil, that is called I1. According to already discussed about this concept. So magnetic field is produced in coil 1. Okay, it is easily links with coil 2 also. Okay, because both are placed very close to each other. Okay, yeah. So field is here. So presence of field, yeah. Presence of field, magnetic field. Flux will be there. Okay, there. Pi to 1 is the total or generally magnetic flux linked with the coil 2 due to coil 1. Okay, this is epsilon, or you can use E, small e. This is the basic symbol for induced EMF in a coil. But in new book given as epsilon. Okay, no problem. Okay, epsilon 2 induced EMF in second coil. Okay, flux magnetic flux linked with second coil with respect to first coil. So pi suffix to 1. Okay, what is the phenomenon? When electric current passing through a coil changes with respect to time, EMF is induced another coil or neighboring coil. That's all. So here current passing through the first coil, no? EMF induced in second coil. That's all. Okay, that's all. Here, this is second coil. Current flowing through the second coil, I2. Flux changes with linked with the first coil, that is called pi 1 2. EMF is induced in first coil, that is called epsilon. Okay, that's all. So here magnetic flux linked with the first coil with due to second coil. That's all. Number of turns in the first coil N1. In second coil N2. That's all. Okay, this is coil 1. This is coil 2. Clear? So generally keep in your mind, when electric current passing through a coil changes with respect to time and EMF is induced other coil or another coil or neighboring coil or secondary coil. That's all. Okay, okay. Leave it this. Just you consider this only. Okay, leave it. First talking about this case. That means first diagram. Okay, listen here. Already you discussed about this formula. Pi is proportional to I. I irundadam pi. Okay, because when current flowing through the coil, magnetic field is produced, so there will be some magnetic flux. Yeah, pi I. Keep in your mind like this, pi I, like this. Okay. Now pi is equal to, you must add a constant, no? So that is called L for a coil. Okay. What is meant by L? Yeah, self-inductance of a coil. Okay. This is about self-inductance. But here discussing, yeah, mutual induction. Okay. Leave it. Okay, now from this, suppose total flux, yeah, we must multiply total number of turns in the coil. Okay, that's all. Keep in your mind. Yeah, now we can written as the formula for mutual inductance from that formula. Okay, come on. Here Leave it. Here talking about only this case only. Okay, that means coil 2. So pi here, pi to 1 proportional to I for self. Okay, but here I1. That's all. So I1. Total number of turns, N2 in the secondary coil. Okay, that's all. What is the reason of this? Due to this. But in first coil. That's all. Okay, so N2 pi to 1. When we cancel this symbol, we must add one constant. No, one constant into I1. Here constant L in self induction. Okay, but here mutual. So M. That's all. M to 1. That's all. Very simple. Now this is equation 1. From this, M21 is equal to N2 pi to 1 by I1. Number of turns in the secondary coil or coil 2, magnetic flux linked with the coil 2 due to coil 1, current flowing through the first coil I1. Okay. Here what is meant by M21? What is here L? Self inductance of a coil or coefficient of self induction of a coil. Similarly, here mutual inductance of coil 2 with respect to coil 1. That's all. Mutual inductance of coil 2, very good, with respect to coil 1. That's all. M21 is equal to N2 pi to 1 by I1. That's all. This is the equation for 2. Okay. Now, I1 is equal to, for example, 1 ampere. Let us consider I1 is equal to 1 ampere. This is equal to 1 ampere. Now, M21 is equal to N2 pi to 1. Okay. So, mutual inductance of the coil 2 with respect to coil 1, it is equal to total flux linkage with coil 2. When 1 ampere current flows through the coil 1, that's all this coil. But this is only for this coil, that's all. Okay, clear? Okay, next. Now we are going to discuss about induced EMF value. Okay, in coil 2 due to coil 1. Because of current flowing through the coil 1, according to electromagnetic induction, that means Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, the basic formula for induced EMF. That is called opposing induced EMF. Keep in your mind, very very important. Opposing induced EMF. Opposes according to Lenz law. What is meant by Lenz law? Remember or not? Parents நம்மள பொறுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம வளர்ந்துறோம். நம்ம உருவானதுக்கு காரணமே யாரு? Parents. வளர்ந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? அவங்களையே அப்போஸ் பண்றோமா இல்லையா? Like this. That is called Lenz law. காரணமா இருந்ததே நம்ம அப்போஸ் பண்றது. That is called opposing induced EMF. Okay, so the basic formula for opposing induced EMF according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction is equal to minus d pi by dt. Total flux we must multiply by total number of turns, no? Therefore, is equal minus d n pi by dt or minus n d pi by dt. Clear? Clear this? Similarly, here listen, epsilon 2, okay, instead of E, This is the basic symbol, but in your textbook, new textbook, given like this, okay? No problem. Is equal to D see here N2 because of total number of turns in the secondary coil. Talking about here secondary coil. Pi flux linked with secondary coil. So pi to 1 by dt. Clear? Okay. E2 is equal to minus N2 d pi to 1 by dt. Okay. Okay. Then E2 is equal to R. Leave it this. N2 pi to 1. Yeah. Here. Okay. From equation number 1. N2 pi to 1. Yeah. Substitute in this formula from equation number 1. Epsilon 2 minus D. Yeah, for M2 pi to 1. M21 I1 by dt. Clear? That's all. Now, epsilon 2 is equal to minus. This is constant, no? For paracoils. So, mutual inductance of coil 2 with respect to coil 1. di1 by dt. Yeah. This is the formula for an induced EMF in the second coil with respect to first coil. That's all. E2 is equal to minus M21 di1 by dt. That's all. Rate of change of current in primary coil or coil 1. That's all. Okay. Suppose we want here mutual inductance of a coil 2 with respect to coil 1 is equal to minus epsilon 2 di1 by dt. That's all. Two formulas very important. Okay. Two formulas very important. That's all. Okay. Next. Here, now, if di1 by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second, M21 is equal to minus epsilon 2 or E2. Okay? What is the meaning of this? Yeah. The mutual inductance of the coil 2 with respect to coil 1 also defined as it is equal to opposing induced EMF in coil 2 when rate of change of current 1 ampere per second in coil 1. That is called primary coil. Okay, that's all. M21 is equal to minus epsilon 2. Okay? Okay. Similarly, now come to here, second diagram. Here current passing through, second coil. Magnetic field is produced. This magnetic field easily links with this coil because of both are placed very close to each other, like this. I am correct or not? So, flux linked with this coil changes with respect to current flowing through this coil. Therefore, we can written as similarly. Listen here. Mutual inductance of coil 1 or coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance of coils, pair of coils. M12 is equal to, yeah, okay, like this. Come on, tell me, R, yeah, here, okay, here, M21, but there M12. From this, M21 is equal to N2 pi 21 by I1, okay. Mutual inductance of the coil 2 with respect to coil 1. See here, but the current flowing through a coil 1, that is in coil primary coil. Yeah. Similarly here, M12, like this. N, yeah, 1 pi, yeah, 1, 2, very good. Like this. Flux linked with first coil. N1 pi 1 2 by I1, but here, yeah, I2. That's all, very good. Okay, yes. Then, yeah, from this, M12 is equal to, similarly, we can write for coil 1 also. M12 minus, yeah, epsilon 1 induced EMF in first coil here, okay, yeah, come to here, by d I2, very good, here d I1, but here current I2, see here I2, therefore d I2 by dt, that's all, okay. Therefore, we can write for E1 also, no problem. You can write this, okay. M21 is equal to, yeah, both are same. Now we can write as generally, yeah, that's all. So mutual inductance between two coils, it is equal to, both are same. So M1 is equal to M12 is equal to, we can write as M, that's all. Okay. Come on, see. Once again. Any doubt? Okay. Okay, now clear this? Any doubt? Okay, now we are going to discuss about unit of mutual inductance. Okay, so unit of mutual inductance. Okay, yeah, consider here. So here, leave it, no need. Just you consider only this coil 2. So where is yeah, M21? Okay, so here M21 is equal minus epsilon 2 di1 by dt. At the same time, listen here, put bracket, no problem, okay. For this only, put bracket, no problem. Okay, listen. Yeah, what is M21 mutual inductance of the coil 2 with respect to coil 1? Okay, it is equal to minus E2 by di1 by dt. Rate of change of current in, yeah, primary coil or first coil. Okay. If di1 by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second, E2 is equal opposing induced EMF. Okay, so we must put minus, yeah, 1 volt. M2 is equal to 1 Henry. Come on, any? Clear? Yeah, listen. If a rate of change of current 1 ampere per 1 second in primary coil or first coil and opposing induced EMF in second coil is equal to 1 volt, that means minus 1 volt. Now we can written as mutual inductance of the coil 2 with respect to coil 1, it is equal to 1 Henry. Because, listen, don't confuse. Unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Already discussed about this. Unit of self inductance also Henry. Symbol for this, H. Okay. Symbol for this, H. Then, what is meant by 1 Henry? Okay. What is meant by 1 Henry? Yeah. Now we are going to discuss about the definition of 1 Henry. Come on. Mutual inductance of the coil 2 with respect to coil 1 is said to be 1 Henry if rate of change of current in primary coil is 1 ampere per 1 second and opposing induced EMF in coil 2 is equal to 1 volt. That's all. You must add unit. That's okay. So this is about 1 Henry. But is at the same time, unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Symbol for this, H. So Henry is the unit of mutual inductance. But 1 Henry, that is different. Mutual inductance of coil 2 with respect to coil 1 is said to be 1 Henry if, that means when rate of change of current 1 ampere per 1 second in primary coil and opposing induced EMF in coil 2 is equal to 1 volt. That means minus 1 volt. Okay, now mutual inductance of the coil 2 will be 1 Henry. That's all. Clear? Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about one smallest problem relevant to mutual induction phenomenon. Okay, so come on, listen. See again. Coil 1, coil 2, primary coil, secondary coil, one coil, neighboring coil, one coil, another coil. There are different names, okay? You can use any one of the name. Okay? So what is meant by mutual induction? Then electric current passing through a coil changes with respect to time and EMF is induced another coil or secondary coil or other coil. That's all. Okay. Here current flowing through this coil, EMF is induced in this coil. That means second coil. But in this diagram, current flowing through second coil, EMF induced in first coil. That's all. Alternately. One coil, another coil like this. Current one coil, EMF other coil. That's all. Clear? Any doubt? Shall we go to discuss about one problem? Okay. Come on. Note it. The coefficient of mutual induction of pair of coils is 4 millihenry. 4 millihenry. Yeah, write in symbol. In which symbol? Very good. M21 is equal to 4 millihenry means 10 power minus 3 Henry. You can written as M12 or M21. Okay. Here generally M. That's all. Generally M. Okay. If current in one coil, listen. Current in one coil changes. Listen here. Current in one coil changes from, so I1 is equal from 0.6 ampere. So you must consider I1 to 0.61 ampere. From to, just consider I1 to I2 like this. In one coil. That means in primary coil. See here, in primary coil. Then in 0.02 seconds. This is, yeah, dt. Okay, that's all. Change in time. Directly given. Then induced EMF is E2. Question mark. Option, come on, option, note down. 20 microvolt 2 millivolt in same coil, 2 millivolt in other coil, 20 microvolt in other coil, 2 millivolt in same coil. Okay, see options. Remind in your mind, an electric current passing through a coil, that means one coil, changes with respect to time. In an EMF is induced, yeah, that coil. Okay, so listen, formula, yeah, already written here. Okay, formula. E2 is equal to minus, understood because I'm not given minus in the options. Okay, this is understood. So consider only formula. M21, for example, that means in second coil, di1 by dt. Okay, that is a formula. Epsilon 2, M value, yeah, 4 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. Change in current, so I2 minus I1. Change in time, directly given. So minus 3. I2 0.61, minus 0.6 by change in time, yeah, 0.02. So 4 into 10 power minus 3, yeah, 0.01 by 0.02. And 4 into 10 power minus 3, 0.01 by 0.02, yeah, 0.5. 0.5 means half, 4 of 2, yeah, into 10 power minus 3 volt. Okay? This option. Levin micro, yeah. Consider here second and third. 2 millivolt, 10 power minus 3 means milli. But in other coil, yeah, you are correct. Other coil, that is correct. Not in same coil. Okay, not in same coil, okay? Other coil. So option, yeah, second option. Clear? Okay, thank you.